Hello everyone, this is Qurratulain Baloch QB. I'm here in LA with the PTI California chapter, and I fully support Imran Khan. I am here with the PTI team, supporting and trying to get everybody on board to vote. This is the time for you guys to be a part of this huge campaign, which is trying to make a difference, trying to make a change. The change that we need so much, like desperately we need it. And if you don't vote it now, I don't think so. You might regret it later. I mean, why? Well, you're not losing anything, you know. I mean, just vote and try to make a difference, because we have seen so much going on at the same time. Imran Khan, as I can say and go on and on about this person who's such an incredible person. I haven't met him, but he's all of what I've heard, and you know, when you get to listen to him, in fact, I mean, he inspires you so much, and he indulges you completely, and he's so promising, that is for sure, because whatever he has done in his life, he has accomplished it, and he has shown people that he's capable of doing something which I don't think so anybody will be able to do. He's the hope for our youngsters, for our new generation, because it's about time. I'm sorry, the way we are progressing, it's just we're not even progressing, we are just going backwards. So please vote, please just try to make a difference. I don't think so will.
So if you have to vote, you will vote for?
If I have to vote, I will of course vote for Imran Khan. I already told people about this, and this dude, that if he comes over, I will just move to Pakistan completely. You know, I'm just gonna move back and, you know, just, do more that more in what I've been doing for such a long time. I whatever possible I can do for the betterment of the people of Pakistan. I'm trying my best, and I pledge my vote, my support, my vote for Imran Khan.